In this video, we're going to be solving this question. If tan theta is equals to 5/4, find the value of sin squared theta minus cos squared theta. So the first thing we're going to do is to draw a right angle triangle to represent the question. So having drawn this rectangle, we have, let this be our reference angle theta, and then this is angle 90. Then the side that is facing this reference angle is the opposite. The longest side, which is the side facing this angle 90, is the hypotenuse, and then the other line, which is the line that has the reference angle and the angle 90, is the adjacent. Let's also recall our trigonometric ratios mnemonic, which is SOHCAHTOA. Let me write it here. We have SOHCAHTOA. So from the question, we are given that tan theta is equal to 5/4, and then from this trigonometric ratios mnemonic, we have TOA here, which is opposite over adjacent. So we have that tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. From the question, opposite is equals to 5, and then adjacent is equals to 4. So let's label the sides that we have on this rectangle, on this triangle. So we have that opposite is equals to 5, and then adjacent is equals to 4. And so using Pythagoras theorem, let's find the value of hypotenuse. And so we know that hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. That's according to Pythagoras theorem. Now we are looking for hypotenuse. So we have that hypotenuse square is equals to opposite is 5 square, then plus adjacent is 4 square. We have that hypotenuse square is equals to 5 square is 25 plus 4 square is 16. So we have that hypotenuse square is equals to 25 plus 16 is equals to 41. And then taking the square root of both sides, this square root and this square will cancel. We have that hypotenuse is equals to root 41. So the value of this hypotenuse is square root of 41. Remember, I asked to find sin squared theta minus cos squared theta, and then we know that sin theta is equals to which is opposite over hypotenuse. We have opposite over hypotenuse, which is equals to, opposite here is 5 over hypotenuse is root 41, and then cos, which is is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we have that cosine theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, and this is equals to, adjacent is 4 over hypotenuse is root 41. Now that we have gotten the value of sin theta and cos theta, let's plug in their values into this question, which is the expression sin squared theta minus cos squared theta. Now for sin squared theta, we're going to have 5 over root 41 square, then minus cos squared theta, we're going to have 4 over root 41 squared. Now 5 times 5 is 25 over root 41 square is simply equals to 41, then minus 4 times 4 is 16 over root 41 square is equals to 41. So we have 25 minus 16, which is equals to 9 over, then since the denominators are the same, you just pick one of them, that is over 41. So we have that the answer is 9 over 41. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friends. Have a nice day.